Well guys, here it is, 5 after 11, Saturday. Didn't make a video yesterday because I didn't feel like I got a lot done. My young fellow was here, David. He got some more done to my airline system. It's coming together. I'll finish that up sometime today. I just thought I'd turn the camera on, show you where I'm at, so I can show you how bad it looks till I get a chance to make it look good. I got that corner patched in. Get that patched in. Still got some shaping to do here. Got this piece welded in and just making a new flange for here. Got it all welded. I just got to grind it and cut it the shape and round this corner off and everything. So, and I got some let me see, all metal body fill, repairs metal with metal. I've never used this before, but I'm going to try it on my seams here just to make it look a little better, so that try not to get them show up so much later. Put a little of that on there. And Chris was talking about Nova 68 SS1 suggested panel bond, we'll call it cement I guess, or glue, for the floor pan. I assume it would need sandblasted, and I think once I sandblast it, it's going to be more, especially right in this area. So I priced the floor pan for here, and it's $46. So I'm going to order that. I'm going to get that one in, see what kind of quality it is, see how it fits. If it fits good, and it's pretty good quality, I'm going to order that one for up here. It's $99, and I think it goes from here up to there, up to this seam where the body, or where the floor pan sits inside the body shell. So that's what I'm going to do. I like the panel bond idea because I know it would be fast, but I'm just a little afraid once I sandblast this, it's just gonna be worse. It's hard for me to get the holes, but there's holes in this like you wouldn't believe. So, like I said, I've ordered that pan. I don't know how long it's gonna take in, a week or two to get here, but it's like 50 bucks. Goes from there, by the look of the picture, to here, up to that seam, and up here. Hopefully it comes high enough that I can miss this pitted rust here. So that's what I'm doing there. Yeah, it's hard to make a video lately. I don't know why. I don't know, I'm not into it or something. So anyways, that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to finish this up, trim this mess up here because I can't do much with it until I get the body set back on. I'm going to leave myself a lip, probably an inch all the way around, and just, I don't know, it'll give me something to work with once I get the body back on. I'm hoping. Not sure what I'm doing there. So I got this all shaped up. Oh yeah. Trim this round it here. Town for WD sent me a picture of his, and it does look better around it because I had it squared up. So I rounded that off. So thank you for that, man. So there we go there. And once I get some more done, I'll turn the camera on, show you how it's turning out. And oh yeah, this here too, I got this the right measurement from here to there, and there to there, but I made this just a little bit long, oops, here, just to give me something to work with once I set the body on, because I'm not sure just how far down that goes and everything. So I'm working blind here, so just gotta make it look the best I can, and hopefully it fits the car when she goes back on. Other than that, it's not turned out too bad. So, oh yeah, another thing too. I got a new bottle of gas. I ended up getting the all MIG again, and because it's a different contract with the other one, so that's what I ended up getting there. And Wrecking Yard commented there about turning this valve wide open when you use the welder. I didn't know that, so that's what I do now. The seat's an O-ring. I assume that's what he meant, so it doesn't leak. So, and actually I turned this on the night I put the bottle on, which was Monday night, and I come out yesterday and the needle was still there, so the system isn't leaking, so that's a good thing. I guess that's how you check them. Running it at 20 pounds air pressure. This gas is supposed to burn a little hotter, so as far as I can tell, from what I can find out about it. But I'm still anxious to get the Blue Shield, which is 75-25 argon CO2. And if I'm correct, I read this has a little bit of oxygen in it, which doesn't really make sense to me, but I notice when I'm welding, the smoke off the weld is not black. It is a brownish color. So I don't know if that's the difference in the gas. They say it's supposed to be less smoke, less odor, all that. So, and I guess from what they tell me down there, this is what people are using here. That tank there was $135. Scary, huh? So anyways, I think this is only my second tank, and I think this one will last longer because I won't be wasting it like I did the other one. I wasted it a lot, just farting around, trying different air pressures or gas pressures, and just did a lot of messing around with it. So hopefully this bottle will last longer. And anyways, I just wanted to thank you for that Wrecking Yard. I think Ron is your name. That's what I'll be doing, opening that right wide open every time. So good tip. So I'll be back, guys, once I get a little more done here and get this fixed up. And oh yeah, I am gonna, once this car is all done, I am gonna put the anti-corrosion undercoating to it. I'm just gonna dose this thing with it, and I gotta start using my weld through primer. I had trouble with it, but I gotta learn how to use it. Tommy Shoe put up a video there about wiping it off with some lacquer thinner where you're gonna weld. It's a good idea. So I do have some here. I just didn't like how it was working. And also, before I turn the camera off here and think of it, got a nice little surprise this week. Another hectic week. I come home from work one night and tired out, and I was here about half an hour, and the wife said I had mail. I went, Usually I get mail, it's bills, but this was in the mail. Nice little surprise. So thank you for that, Tommy Shoe. Another one here. So once I get this garage cleaned up, we'll be putting them up somewhere. I think I'm going to put this one in a baggie and protect it, and then once the Nova's done, this one's going on the Nova on the side window. So, but we'll put her in a baggie, hang her on the wall so everybody can see it, so I can see it. So that was a nice surprise. Wasn't expecting that, man, but thank you very much. So anyways, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, she's done. Done as far as I can go. That primer, or that metal body fill goes really hard, real hard, and sand's hard. But I put it in on my seam just to cover it up a little bit. I think this primer's all got to come back off. This is just on there just because I got to put it outside, just to keep it from surface rusting. And when I bring it back in, I'll just knock it all back off, because there's a coating. I'm going to put coating in the wheel wells, a rubberized coating of some sort, truck bed liner or something, I don't know yet. But like I said, I just wanted to seal up my welding seams, and thought I'd try that that metal, all metal body fill. Seems pretty good. So I got this all shaped up to where I think it's okay. I may end up cutting. I think this is okay back here. I put that whole new flange on there, so I got some good metal to weld to. When I put the body back on, I'll just knock some spot weld holes all through there, along there. Like I said, this might have to be trimmed. This might have to be adjusted a little bit here. I'm not sure. It's hard to do this without the body on the car. And I trimmed down that there, left myself a ledge in case I need it for when I put the outer wheel well in. This is it for this inner one. That was quite a job to rebuild that. So anyways, I threw some primer there and there too, and a couple spots on the other side. And like I said, I'm not going to worry about this because I got floor pan coming for that side, and probably 99% sure I'll probably get this one too. Just depends on how that fits. I'm sure it's going to fit okay. The picture looks identical, so like I said, it's for 74 Nova, so they should be the same. And I'm going to go over it. First of all, I'm going to go call a buddy about the Porsche, because we're supposed to get anywhere between 15 to 40 centimeters of snow tonight. Right now it's +4 outside. It's hard to believe, but, and it's hot in here. It's 25. I got the door open. It's dripping out there. It's icy. See if I can get out here without getting wet. Honda looks a little cleaner anyways. So everything's tucked in there in case I have to snow blow. But anyways, I gotta call him, and I'm gonna set this thing back down. I'm gonna snap the springs back on it and stick that rear end under there real quick, so I can have some wheels on the back, and set the body back on, put my little wheels there underneath the front end, and take her outside and wrap her up nice and solid so she stays dry until I get the Porsche. That's providing he hasn't changed his mind. Right now I gotta clean up my explosion again, so it's a mess in here again. Do a little primer on that. So anyways, this is the first phase, I guess you call it. Little taste of the Nova. And well, I'm kind of glad it is going out, because I think this is going to take a while to do. It gets overwhelming when you're trying to do something like this, and I need time to think about it again. See where I'm going, how I'm going to approach it. This project's going to take a long while. I'm looking at probably 2 years. I think I will get one of those plastic, or one of those you know, they're not plastic, I don't know what they're made out of. One of those garages, just a shed like type thing. I hope to get this before spring. I mean, I'll have this back in here in 3 to 4 weeks time. Maybe it won't even leave, I don't know. I gotta call the guy after, see about bringing portion tomorrow, like I said. And if he's changed his mind and she's staying, I'll flip her over and do the other side. Just keep going slowly and wait for some parts to come in. I might just go over and order the other one, I'm not sure. The other floor pan. More I think about it, I gotta get that. I don't like that patch there at all. And I want to do a butt patch, like, so you can't see it. And if I got a good floor panel, then I think that shouldn't be too bad to cut it out and put it in that way. So anyways, like I said, I'll know more tomorrow what's going on. Hopefully that 40 centimeters of snow don't come. Not looking forward to that. But can't stop it, and we've been really lucky here. We've only had one storm and it wasn't that bad. So I'm gonna let you go here. Like I said, I just threw a video together. It's nothing much interesting, so but that's all I got for today. And yeah, kind of like to see this out of here for a while so I can get my grades cleaned up, if anything. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Everybody take care, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.